Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble an iMac that's from late 2009 to 2011 models. A lot of times it's just daunting to disassemble an iMac because it seems like there's a lot of tools that's required to open it. I'm going to try to show you how to open this up in an easy way. So what you need is these two tools. TA torque driver and PH1 Phillips driver. So just with these two tools, I'm going to show you how to open it. Okay, so first what you need to do is open up the RAM doors. There are three screws here. Okay, it's coming out. And you don't need to take the RAM out. Okay, next what you need to do is use your fingernail to insert in between the glass and the iMac itself. Because it's held by a magnet, it will come off if you just put enough force like that. And then I just kind of slide through to detach the glass. Okay, so that's an easy way to detach the glass without using the suction cups. Okay, I'm gonna put this down. Okay, now there's 8 screwdrivers, 8 screws that you need to unscrew it. There are 4 on each side. Okay, and then use your fingernail or your tip of a finger to kind of pull the screen out slowly. Don't do it too quickly, otherwise you're going to snap some of the wires here. So the first wire you see inside is this this wire attached to the DC board. Just simply pull it out. Okay, and then you will see 3 more wires to detach the LCD panel. This is the power line. I'm going to use my finger to detach it. And over here there's temperature sensor, and this is the LVDS cable. So you can just simply detach it, but remember to hold this LCD, otherwise you're gonna have broken wires and it's gonna be more problematic. Okay, now all 4 wires are detached. You can pull this out. Okay. Okay, now there are several screws. Then you need to unscrew it to take the logic board out. So there's one here, there's another one here, there's one here, there's another one here, here, and over here. So I'm going to take those screws out. Okay. Okay, to take the logic board out, you need to detach all the connected wires. So this is the Wi-Fi connection. Okay. This is the power button connection. This is the fan. Okay, and there is IC board. You need to kind of pick it out. Okay. There's these two wires that connects to the speaker. And these are the SD card. And OD fan and OD temperature. Okay. And this is the skin temperature sensor. Be careful not to pull it too hard, like don't force it, but don't just yank it out, but just kind of pull it. Alright, I need to put this down a bit. Alright, so now you detached all the wires. You can sort of take this out, and there's another wire that you need to pull out on this side. Okay. And forgot about this. Now the logic board is kind of loose. You need to pull out the power cable, and the cable goes to the hard drive. Okay, so the power cable is this one, and hard drive cable, it's this one right here, this one, This one is the optical drive cable. Yeah. Right. Let me go to do that. Okay. Right, the power cable, you need to press this down so that it will be easier to pull it out. Alright, so that's it. So there's the logic board that I just took out. For this model, I didn't need to take out the fan and the optical drive. All I need to do was just unplug all these cables, and you'll be able just to pull it out like that. So there is your video card, and there is your CPU. Okay, a lot of times the video card goes wrong. That's how you get to it. So that's how you disassemble the iMac 2011 version in this case. Alright, thank you for watching.